Hello everyone! Today we're heading to Tioman Island. Getting there is a bit of a journey, but trust me, it's worth it. There are a couple of ways of getting there, but I chose the cheapest and at the same time the least tiring one. I bought tickets for an evening bus, so it had to leave KL at 8 p.m. and then reach the Mersing town at 2 a.m. Mersing is the place where you get a ferry to Tioman Island. So I spent a night in a hotel, then morning had breakfast downstairs and was ready for a journey. But before that I had a small stroll around the town. Very calm, peaceful and relaxing. After a small walk I got back to jetty, a bit of waiting and I was on the board. Ferry takes a while. The whole journey takes about 3 hours to get to the Tioman. By the way, there are two main ferry companies that can take you there. First one is Qatar Ferry and the second one is Blue Water Ferry. I've heard that Qatar Ferry was a bit better. It has some food on board, it's a little bit more reliable, there is a viewing deck. But Blue Water Ferry is 2 times cheaper, so for me the choice was obvious. Blue Water Ferry. And it was not so bad. Just 3 hours on the boat, a bit of rest and sleep, and I was at the point of my destination. Tioman looked majestic. It's a beautiful big island with mountains and corals and beaches all around it. It was great. I stopped in a small village called Abintang, but locals call it ABC. It's located in the northern part of the island, quite popular place for people to stay. My chalet was just at the first line, so corals were just one step away from my place of living. After I arrived, I had a small walk around just to explore the area, but it was getting darker and there were some heavy clouds, so I decided not to risk it and get back for a sleep. Next morning I woke up early and went straight for snorkeling. I really love snorkeling. It was my first time recording underwater. I'm not very experienced in that, but I think I still managed to get some nice shots there. But the weather was getting a little bit worse, so the rest of the day I stayed around my chalet. Probably the highlight of that evening was my dinner. I had barracuda fish for dinner and it was great. It was first time for me to try barracuda fish and yeah, it was awesome. And that's it for the first day. Next video will be about my second day in Tioman Island. The second day when I went on a hike all the way through the island to another beach. It was a long hike, about 13 kilometers. So yeah, click the like button, subscribe, write something down in the comments, let me know what I should do, if I should change something. It's a new experience for me, so please just let me know what you think. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, Hello everyone. So I dropped my stuff, so I strolled around, so I dropped my stuff, and so hit the like button, click subscribe.